one final operator. This one is smaller, but it's a real rocket ship, has done well, although lately it's kind of come off the boil a little bit. Adapt IT. A guy called Spoo Shabalala has built this one up. It's got the same kind of mix of services provided in this broad sphere into manufacturing, mining, education, financial services across the board. But it's been a real grower. It's got a 1.46, beg your pardon, billion market cap, PE ratio of 15.5, dividend yield of 1.5%. So people have been calling them like the new EOH, you know, they're like on the move and they've got a better empowerment credentials. Let's look at the share chart. It shows a little bit of the same tailing off. Is that just the tough business environment we're in at the moment?
Yes, it is. And once again, similar to EOH, as the company gets bigger, it's more difficult to make acquisitions that move the dial. So they haven't quite had the same growth from acquisitive activity. They haven't had quite the same growth from organic activity. And the expectations in the share price were a bit too high to start with, and that's why we see it deflated in the last few months.
But you've got to hand it to the team. I mean, they came out of Durban, they took over a sort of beaten up listing on the JSE, relaunched, they've used the paper script well, they've done lots of acquisitive deals like we've mentioned before.
Correct, they were the Lovo IT department effectively, so
Is that where they
unbelievable.
started?
Yes, they're unbelievable. They went from just sugar to now having verticals in manufacturing, education, financial services. So well done to them. And I mean, the share price, I remember buying some shares at 60 cents. Unfortunately, I sold them at 120, and now the share price is significantly higher. So a great story.
And my view is that we should be celebrating people like Spoo Shabalala more than celebrating people who've done well by just kind of taking 26% stakes in a big bunch of businesses out of empowerment. This is a guy who actually built the business from the seat of his pants all the way to a multi-billion rand market capitalization.
Yes, a true entrepreneur. We need to see more of these.
But hot or not as far as the share price right now?
I think expectations have come down enough that one can be bullish on it. I'm reticent because of this dual way of creating value, organically and acquisitively. And at this current, where we are right now in terms of economic pressure,
it's just a little harder.
It's hard for organic growth and it's harder for acquisitive growth. But the management team have done it in the past, and at 1.5 billion, there's actually still a long way to go. So I'm on the fence, but if I had to choose one, I would say hot, actually.
Okay, I'll go with you. Hot. Good case example made right there.